Pinnacle, hear it sounds, hear it sounds. It's the sound of a man, the sound of a man, the sound of a man when he lies, the sound of a man when he cries, the sound of a man when he dies, the sound of a man, it's the sound of a man, it's the sound of a man when he lies, the sound of a man when he cries, the sound of a man when he dies, the sound of a man, the sound of a man with the sound. Of this man we all know. It might be your bro or someone else you know. From young to old, this man doesn't understand that lying to himself is detrimental. Like weak lyrics over instrumentals. This man lies to himself for years. Nothing looked clear, although it appears to his moms and his pops. Stressing this young man ain't never ever stop. So he doesn't choose the correct options. Liar, liar, it's on the wire now as he moves on through his life. He's been forced to think twice. This is the advice he's been given from the architects and I. Bring in the sounds of a man when he lie and deny himself for what lies on that golden path. Now he holds half of that life in his hands. Listen to the sound of a man. The sound of a man, the sound of a man when he lie. It's the sound of a man when he cry. The sound of a man when he die. The sound of a man, it's the sound of a man. The sound of a man when he die. The sound of a man when he cry. It's the sound of a man when he die. The sound of a man, it's the sound of a man. A man cries while inside he dies. Close his eyes, realize this world is built on lies. Confused and not sure what to believe. His heart turns cold, now he's hungry for greed. He got heads to feed, inside he still bleed. Cause he can't fulfill his needs and got another seed on the way. A brighter day, that's what he praying for. Still living poor, ain't seen no open doors. He lost in the wilderness and confused at that. And for the family, he could only build a death trap. Cause when you live a lie, you live a life for death. So he will sing this dying cry until his very last breath. It's the sound, it's the sound of a man, of a man. It's the sound, it's the sound of a man, of a man. It's the sound, it's the sound of a man. Listen, it's the sound of a man. It's the sound, listen, it's the sound of a man. Can you hear it? It's the sound, it's the sound. Can you hear it? Of a man. Can you hear it? It's the sound, listen, it's the sound, listen of a man. It's the
and on frame sits in the park chair, whistling Roy Ayers as he prepares to face the failure of his years politically. He analytically dissects his past. You direct your own cast in life's ever-present drama. He was on to something big when he was younger. He had the hunger, but his folks put a clamp on his life. They put a stamp on his wife and his child. Grew up wild, that's the style of the poor. He was working 9 to 5 at night, 8 to 4 in the morning. Going to work yawning, sometimes even pawning the little that he had. But yo, the man, he had to be a dad, and he'd be mad when he reflected on how his decisions affected what he erected. But he's still unprotected in this cold. The man, power-wise, domes years old, cause his soul stays intact, though his life wasn't all that. And his dreams died deaths, deplorable, wicked, and horrible. But now at least he can preach and teach each how to reach for the peaks. He learned the game in old frame, maintains in a park chair, reminiscent, whistling the sound of man. The sound of man. The sound of man is dead. It's dead. Don't let the time slip